friends, it's Peggy from prettypapercards.com. You can find my blog there at prettypapercards.com. And I want to just chat with you today about gift boxes. There are some very cool small gift boxes hidden in this year's Occasions catalog, and you might not have seen them, and if you did, you might not have known how to use them, so I want to show that to you today. And they're the Silver Mini Gable Boxes, and here's the one I'm going to show you today. I've decorated this with some designer series paper and some ribbons and a little bow, but I'm going to show you how they come and everything. Now, I want you to know that the Occasions catalog goes until May 31st, and this is the Occasions catalog that we're working with right now. And I'm going to show you where the mini gable boxes are. They're on page 13. Here they are on page 13, right down here in the corner. They're the Silver Mini Gable Boxes, and they are super cute. So let's take a look at them right now. Here is what they look like when you get them. They're flat, okay? And you fold and put them together. They come in a package of 12. Here's your package of 12. That's a lot. That is, what I'm thinking is it's a nice Easter favor. Put little Easter eggs or things in here to give for Easter, or like for the workplace or a child's school. 12 is a lot that you get. So that's what the box looks like. Now I'm going to show you how to put them together and also how I decorated mine. So I'm going to turn you down and show you how I did it. Okay, hold on just a minute. Turn this down to look at my desk. Okay, there you go. So here's the flat mini gable box. Put it your direction. And all you do is fold it, just fold on the already scored lines. You just fold to just get those lines kind of softened. Now we're going to start with the bottom first. There's one long side that has an indentation in, so you're going to want to put that down first. Then put each of the sides down and tuck them just a tiny bit under that indentation. And then the one with the tab, the side with the tab goes in, and look at how neat that is. It tucks everything right in. Okay, and then for the top, you have these two pieces, and you're going to want to fold this in and this back. This in and this back, and then press those together. And the sides, these sides just pop right on top of there. And I can't tell you I know what a gable box is, but apparently this is a mini gable box. And there you go, all put together. Isn't that cute? All right, now to decorate mine today, what I've done is I've taken, I'm going to get the exact name of this designer series paper that I'm using. It is so beautiful. It's the Sweet Soiree Specialty Designer Series paper, and I've used one sheet from it right here, and it's really easy to do the wrapping of the box because it's just 2 inches and a 12-inch piece wraps around. Now these designer series papers come in 12 by 12. Whoops, 12 by 12. Now I've already cut some off at this side, so I'm going to put this in my trimmer, and I'm going to cut, my 12-inch side is this way, so I want to cut, 2 inches wide by 12 inches long. So I'm just going to put it up right like that and trim down, and then you're completely set. That's the piece you need to wrap around your mini gable box. And I'll show you how. It's not even a big deal. Now I know some people like exact measurements and whatnot. I just do this. On something like this, I don't even think it's that hard. So I just fold to kind of make a little score mark where I want it to be. And then I'm going to take my bone folder and score where I folded, just like that. And it's really easy. It should come out just exactly right, and it fits right on there. So let's see if that's going to come out right. So we're going to hold it, and it wraps. Look at how great it is. It wraps right around there. Isn't that neat? So I'm just going to take my snail, and I'm going to just run it down along the edge there, on the ends, and then we just put it on. It's really simple. And along the edge. Okay. Now let's start back here. And what I'm going to do is put the fold exactly on the fold, and I'm going to line it up at the bottom. Let me do that again. Okay, I think that should turn out. And then I'm going to keep going on, trying to make sure it comes right to the bottom there. Okay. There we go. There's your mini gable box, all decorated. Isn't that cute? And it only took a second. So you can use any designer series paper if you want to decorate them. They're beautiful on their own. And then to make the bow, I just took some of our metallic, Berry Burst metallic edge ribbon and some of our silver 1/8 inch ribbon. I ran it together like this, and I've left my scissors over at my desk, so I'm just going to show you how I did this. I actually just pull them out together like that. Then I just tie a bow. I personally like to leave a lot of space, a lot of extra, so that I can make a nice bow. And I just keep the strands together. And let's see, I think I'm going to go this way so the silver shows out. And you know, even if you don't do it exactly like this, it's still going to be very, very cute, very pretty. And this ribbon is really one of my favorites. And there's your bow. Now, I don't have my scissors right now, so I can't trim that edge off. Here are the little bows. These come in the designer series colors, excuse me, the annual colors for 2017 to 2019. And these are the in color bitty bow embellishments. And what's neat about them is that they have, you can see right there, a little glue dot already on the back. So they already have sticky stuff on them. Now this time I'm going to put, just for fun, I'm going to put one of these, I think that's Tranquil Tide bows on. And you just peel the sticky stuff off the back. Let me see if I can get it. Yep. And then stick it right on the center of the bow that you've tied. So there you go. Isn't that cute? And all I need to do when I'm done with this is go back and trim off that edge. And there, you can just play with that ribbon and get it the way you want to. But I think that is an adorable gift box. And it took seconds to make. And you've got 12 in your package. So you can make 12 little cute gift boxes and just put in some jelly beans from a bag, and your friends will think that you are amazing. Okay, I'm going to turn you back up. Okay, there you are. So I just wanted to remind you also, let me get you way up so I can, there we go. I want to remind you also that we're still in Celebration. Celebration is Stampin' Up's biggest sale of the year. It runs the first 3 months of the year, January, February, and March. And for every $50 order, you get a free gift from the Celebration catalog. Now this year we've got 2 catalogs. I don't have the other one right here with me. But it has fabulous free items for every $50 that you order. And there are some special items if you should place a $100 order. And it's the best way to save money that I know of. Place an order, get a free gift. And the gifts are neat. Like here, you get a whole stamp set. Look at these cute little pandas. This has been a really favorite. That could be your free gift with a $50 order. Here is a neat guitar, tennis shoes, kind of You Are Awesome stamp set really cool. You could get that free. So many choices. And so I want to encourage you, while we still have a little time, March 31st is the last day that you can order celebration to qualify for the celebration gifts. So don't miss out. Get your orders in before March 31st to take advantage of this, because it only comes around once a year. And these items, most of them are not available after March 31st. So if you want some of the items in here, be sure to order. Go to my website, prettypapercards.com, and I have a Shop Now button. Just click that. It'll take you right to my online store. Thanks for stopping by today. I enjoy being able to show you pretty projects, and I hope that you'll get some of the mini gable boxes and make some darling gifts for Easter and for your friends. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.